Well, hello, Denise Parks here, the Crafty DIYer. This is going to be cute. I am going to take this printable. This is Spring Harmony. We're going to attach it to this wood. This is a printable that is called Spring Harmony. This is a tape glue runner, but this is removable. What this is going to allow us to do is remove this. I've got distress ink. What I like to do is I call it edging. And this just gives this a frame. You can also come in and bring in just a little bit of the ink to the corners. Just like that, very simple. But when you put it against this, see how it makes it pop more. And now I also have Choose Happiness. And honestly, this is going to be so cool because this is removable. Both are going to be removable. I don't need to go crazy putting this on because I want to remove it, right? Now, so I did the side, and all I'm going to do is like a couple little strips here. Okay? Don't need to do the whole thing. Kind of, so you want this right in the center, right? There. Push it down. Now we're going to do this one. Put that right and kind of in between. Before I press it down, I just check. That's good. We have spring is in the air. First of all, I like to take my corner rounder and we're gonna soften our corners. Just like that. Let's do this one too. I'm gonna take my ink. I'm going to hit the edges. Now I use this color a lot. What is it? Vintage Photo, but you can use anything. You can use black if you want. You can use blue, whatever color you like. And I'm just going to come in the corners. When you have a flat surface, we've edged this out, but if you come in the corners a little bit, just edge that in. It gives it more of a 3D look. It's just a shading technique. Kind of like to do each word. So we're going to cut all that up. Because we cut it, we have this white here. So I'm just going to get that covered with the ink. And we're just going to use regular glue stick. Okay, so spring. Okay, in the air. There we go. So that's kind of like a fun way to put the words in, right? So there we go. But I do like to put a little bit of seam binding, yarn, anything like that. Okay, there we go. Cut that. So now we've got a little tag on the top, cute. And this is from a doily. So it covers the hole there. Okay, I'm going to put some glue on here. I'm going to use my fabric tack. All right, so I'm going to put our little fabric there. And then we want to put that. I can use the same glue. All right. So put this here. All right. It's not in the middle because we're going to add that. Whoops, sticking. Okay, we want to do it over a bit more. There we go. See this part here? This is exciting. I love this stuff, guys. See all this, you know, you would normally throw this out. You don't want to throw it out. Look, I'm going to take some and I'm going to put it right here. It just adds layer and it adds a little bit of dimension. There we go. And then we're going to put a button on. there. So we made these, and then this is what we did at the beginning. But what you want to do when you're cutting something out, it's called fussy cutting. And when you're doing that, you need something that has a short shank. I just trimmed it out, but do you see how I kept the white around? It's like a sticker. The first trick is to make sure you have a small shank, very small here. When I go to move, I move the paper. So you want to come in, turn it this way on a 45-degree angle, and then turn. Okay? And then that way it won't rip your paper. So let's do it again. Can you see? So I'm here. You're going to turn your scissors. You see? So I'm not this. I'm doing that. And that way it won't bend the beak. There. But see how I'm moving this? I'm not moving my scissors. So you're keeping an edge. You're keeping a little white part of it. And that way, that's what makes it look like a sticker. If you don't want that, but you still don't want to be able to cut right close, as soon as you take your ink and you're going to add your ink around, okay, the white goes away. You'll still have the white inside, but that's fine. This is really in right now to have things look like a sticker, so. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we could put our little friend kind of right there. Right? Let's glue her on there. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. Isn't that a happy accident? You can see a little bit of feet here. And here. Just put little toes. Oh, it's so cute. There, look at that. Okay, I'm going to bring it up. But you see how I put like little toes in there. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate every single one of you. Okay, bye guys.